If you have been reading tons of books, and I'm sure you have encountered different kinds of rules on productivity or time management, like 2 years rule, 5 minute rule, or even, sometimes when food drops, you pick it up and that's the 5 second rule. But that doesn't count in this video. In this video, I will walk you through the 2 minute rule I have learned. Let's start with the 2 minute rule by David Allen. So, the number one 2 minute rule I learned from the book Getting Things Done by David Allen is that anything can be done within 2 minutes. You do it right away. The 2 minute rule aims to banish procrastination and help people accomplish small tasks. Here's what the rule says: if you can do an action in 2 minutes or less, tackle it at the moment and do not delay. This has the potential to deliver long-term benefits. For example, I always thought of writing a 2 minute blog or even creating a 2 minute video here on YouTube, but it just kept coming to my mind, eventually clogging up my mental bandwidth. So right after this 2 minute video, I can leave it aside and I don't have to keep thinking about it. That's how the 2 minute rule works. The second 2 minute rule is from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you are skeptical about starting something new, start small. Whatever stuff you want to start doing, simplify it into 2 minutes. For example, if I have to start writing a script for my YouTube videos, instead of focusing for 1 hour straight when I was beginning, I'll just write down the script for only 2 minutes. Whether or not I've completed the script, I'll put aside and walk around. Then I'll come back to it later. And that's how the 2 minute rule works. I'm sure you've heard about this. If someone wants to start a new jogging habit, what they have to do when they first starting is they have to wake up earlier, tighten their shoelaces, and go back to sleep. That sounds a little funny, but it really works. So what the 2 minute rule does is that it helps you develop the habits you need to keep progressing. Starting small is better than not starting at all. And here's the punchline. If you get 1% better each day for 1 year, you'll end up 37 times better by the time you are done. Finally, I must say that this rule has turned my chaotic world into a well-oiled, organized machine. Now, if I think of something that makes 2 minutes or less, I tackle it right then and there, like a superhero on a mission to rescue my productivity. So no more agonizing over insignificant tasks. So friends, thanks to this rule, I've embraced the art of starting small, whether writing scripts or jogging, or even creating a video, and it works like a magic.